Okay, hi guys, we are back to make some more lotion. I know that the lighting again isn't all that great, but I have to be up here because my husband is working. So let's give an update on the March 11th soap that we made. I got reviews back, particularly from the girls at my daughter's work. One of them immediately wanted to know how much it was. She was totally in love with it. So that's a good thing. I got rave reviews. Nobody said that it was sticky. I'm going to tell you, because when I put the lotion on myself and it still felt a little sticky, I let it soak in for a while and it wasn't sticky. So I like it. My daughter loved it. But today we are going to try the vegetable glycerin to see how much of a difference that makes, and we're going to try to keep the lighting as good as possible. If you didn't watch the March 11th video, what's today's date, baby? 24th. So today is March 24th, so we're trying again. And lotion is made in 3 phases. So we have our water phase, which is, this is aloe vera juice, and I have my vegetable glycerin in there. And this is my shea butter, sunflower oil, my e-wax, my bee pollen, my DL-panthenol, and my vitamin E. So what I'm going to do, again, I'm going to put them in my pan, which yes has a washcloth in it. I am going to turn my stove on. And I'm going to re-alcohol my hands. Where's my alcohol? Okay. Found it. I'm going to re-alcohol my hands so we're all sterile, because this is a sterile environment project. So what I'm going to do is I am going to heat and hold these. Heat them to 185. Hold it there for 20 minutes. And we will be back, and we'll be on the other counter again. I bleached and alcoholed my coffee bar side of the counter. I'm going to go ahead and try to put in the iCard the March 11th video, because there's a lot more explanation, and that for anybody who's watching this video that hasn't watched that one. So, all right, we're going to heat and hold this, and we'll be back. Okay, guys, I am going to put this on here. And it was $7.52 because oh shoot, I forgot to, well, we gotta zero it, my bad. And I just changed it to ounces. We gotta change it back to grams. Okay, so it is $7.48. Wow, we lost as much aloe as we did last time. It was 50. 51, 52. Okay, so we don't need our scale anymore. Alcohol in my hands just because. Let me see how the lighting is. Okay, it's not bad. It's not terrible. Okay, and as you can see, we have some bee pollen in there, but that'll be all blended up with Bernadette here. And like I did on the March 11th one, we are going to pulse this and get our aloe vera in there. Ugh, I hate it when the cord is on this side. Okay, you guys ready? Let me make sure you guys can see. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we've got this nice creamy white here, and what I'm going to do, like last time, is I'm going to blend this for about 2 minutes. So I will go ahead and put music on for you guys like I did last time, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, well I have managed to make a great big huge mess. It is all over everywhere. It is all over my coffee maker. Okay, all over the counter, but that's okay. Alright, so like the last time, we are going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. And by the way, this is what they call phase 3. And I forgot to mention last time that phase 3 is not only when you add your preservative. Phase 3 would also be where you add color if you were going to color it, and you would add your fragrance. Of course, this is a test batch, so I don't add any fragrance or any color to it. But yeah, so we'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Actually, really quick, let me give you a quick temp. I don't want to touch that because I don't have a glove on that hand. We are at 140, so yeah, we got a ways to go. All right, so let me spray my hand before I touch that button. Okay, I'll see you in a few. Okay, 10 minutes later, let's take a temp. Oh, we got a skin on there. Oh, my window is open over my sink, so it's 117. So let's pulse it. Let me try to get some of that down in there. Okay, and just in case, like I said, you haven't watched the first video, if you have questions about this process or anything, feel free to put it in the comments or email me. So, there was one other thing I was going to tell you, and I don't remember what it was. I was thinking about it while we were off camera. Oh, maybe I'll remember. Let me take another temp. 112. So hopefully in another 10 minutes I'll be able to add my preservative. So I'll see you then. Bye bye. We are at 94 degrees, so I am going to scrape this off and then put my preservative in. Like I said, the window is open and it's so beautiful outside. All right. Let me get this here and put my preservative in. Preservative is at 1%. And I got my cute little bowl here. And as always with my preservative, this has 0.11, because I have one of those like itty bitty scales that I can measure grams with 2 places past the decimal point. All right, so let me mix this for a few. Okay, I love it when it gets a little bit thicker because then you can just, I don't have to pulse it. Alright, we are now going to let this set up naturally. We're going to let it cool down. And I will come back. I'm going to put it in the same jars that I did last time. I'll show you one or two in case, like I said, this is the first one in the series that you have seen. And then I'm going to test it after it's completely cool to see how it does. So, alright guys, be back. Okay guys, we're back over on the other counter where there's a little bit more shadow, but the sun is beaming in. I really should have done this downstairs. I know I said I was going to do it downstairs last time, but I didn't. I put my glasses on my face and read alcohol. I'm a freak about sanitation, y'all know that. Okay, so we have our nice thick lotion, because that's what it's supposed to be. Once I get this down, I'm going to work on a thinner like summer lotion, and whichever one works best, the vegetable glycerin as the humectant or the honey as the humectant, is the one that I will make into a summer lotion. Oop, I just spilled some. And again, these are all going to the same people that tested the other ones, so they can tell me which one they liked best, whether it's, you know, the one they got on the from the 11th or this one. We're not going to tell them what the change is in it, so that way, you know, we get a blind review, I suppose, is what they would call it. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to fill these up, and I will be back to test it myself. Okay guys, moment of truth. Let's see, no cheating. My hands are nice and dry and gross. So let's see if this one is better. Oh, look at that. I like how the shea butter and the sunflower oil feel for sure. And that new emulsifying wax is fantastic. Well, it doesn't feel as sticky as the other one. And like I said earlier, when I actually let it soak in more, I didn't have that stickiness from the honey, because I really do want to use honey as my humectant. However, I think I like this one better. Yeah, I do. I think I like this one better. So, let's put our lid back on there. This one is mine. But we will get the opinion of the people that we gave the original one to and see which one they like better. So next time we make lotion, I will let you know the results of that. So I'll see you later. Bye-bye.